Hey there ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new tutorial video. आज हम सीख रहे हैं synth bass kick जिसकी आवाज़ थोड़ी सी होती है. Now before this video starts, before anything I teach you anything like that, I just want to say huge shout out to the members of the channel. You guys are amazing. If you guys want to become a member, there's a link down in the description below. Go click on that link and it'll take you to a page where you can buy the membership, and the minimum membership is like $3. So get the membership. आपको shout out मिलेगा हर वीडियो के अंदर, आपको अच्छी perks मिलेंगी. जैसे जब मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम करूँगा तो आपका नाम नेम चैट के अंदर जो ग्रीन आएगा, उसको छोड़ के आपको इमोट्स भी मिलेंगे और स्लो मोड पे इम्यूनिटी भी मिलेगी. तो मेक श्योर यू ज्वाइन एज ए मेंबर एंड आई लव यू फॉरएवर. सेकंड अनाउंसमेंट इज दैट फॉलो योर बॉय ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. क्या कर रहे हो यार, भाई को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो. भाई बहुत रील्स मारता है, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें फेंक रहा होता है, बहुत अच्छी पोस्टें बना रहा है. तो भाई को इंस्टाग्राम पे जल्दी जल्दी फॉलो करो. Enjoy the video. So that's the synth bass kick. मैंने जब ये सीखा था तो I remember I was watching Kenny Muhammad do this and I was so impressed by this guy. Kenny Muhammad was crazy. He used to do the and that is where synth bass kick is actually, क्योंकि वो बहुत पहले इस्तेमाल होती है and it's still one of the best sounds ever. So if you ever heard the Vin technique which goes like the is the synth bass kick over here. So it's very easy to do. All you gotta do for starters, तुमने दो चीजें सीखनी होगी. The first thing you want to learn is the classic bass kick, which is the. There's a tutorial link down in the description, so you gotta learn that. Then the second thing you gotta learn is gonna be the lip oscillation, which pretty much goes like. So you put these together, you get like a. Now here's the trick. When you're doing. You gotta add a little a high voice from the throat merged with the lip oscillation. So that's normal lip oscillation. Then you add a it sounds something like if you're getting something like this, it's good. For starters, if you're not getting anything like this, you're probably getting something like that's also fine. Just keep on practicing it till you get the just add a kick to it. Lower down the oscillation. There you have your synth bass kick. That is it for today, guys. If you guys are enjoying the content, I'm popping out a lot of content. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you subscribe, like the video, और नीचे अगर कुछ भी कमेंट करने को नहीं मिल रहा ना, तो नीचे अपने मुल्क के झंडे कमेंट कर लो. भाई को बड़ी खुशी आएगी, एल्गोरिथम में पुश भी मिल जाएगा. समझ रहे हो बात को? That being said, thank you so much once again for watching the video, and you guys have a good one now. Peace.